In this video, we will guide you on how to effectively operate an excavator and execute smooth turns. In the excavator's cabin, you will find two control levers that regulate the movement of the left and right trucks. By manipulating these levers, you can control the speed of each truck independently, allowing the excavator to make precise turns. The excavator's turning mechanism relies on hydraulic systems. To initiate a left turn, you have several options. Firstly, you can increase the speed of the right truck while keeping the left truck stationary. Alternatively, you can keep the right truck stationary while moving the left truck in reverse. Another method is to move the left truck in reverse while simultaneously moving the right truck forward. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below or visit our website www.yufanmachinery.com for more useful machinery information. Thank you.